Hi, this is Beth at Quilts and Lace in Melbourne, Florida, and we are excited to prepare for a cruise on October 6th out of Port Canaveral on Royal Caribbean, Harmony of the Seas, and it's going to be a quilting, embroidery, and ScanNCut cruise where we'll incorporate all the best features of our machines. So it'll be a lot of fun. We're hoping that you will join us October 6th, 7 days, Labadee, Haiti, San Juan, Puerto Rico, and St. Maarten. Just also want to let you know that we're having guest speaker Joanne Banko from It's So Easy TV show, and she's going to do some classes to get your sewing skills honed up, and she is our guest star. Just as a reminder, this is limited spots. We only have 24 spaces available, so if you are interested, please sign up very soon. To find out information or to sign up, go to Go Travel. I will have a link on our website where you can register. So please join us for our first Quilts and Lace cruise.